Roman Ramsey RB Pressure Washing, Middle Georgia. As you guys can see, plenty of pine straw up there. The gutters need just a little bit of attention. We're going to give that to the customer. We're going to take care of them just like we take care of everyone else. So got just a little bit of gutter work to do. You guys can see those need just a little bit of work, and we're also going to be taking care of the house for the client. I think they're going to be rebuilding the deck, so she's not concerned about that so much. Let's give a little walk around. I think really the back and the side, those are the two bad spots. So we'll get these clean and show you the results in just a little bit, guys. As you can see, everything is nice and beautiful. Nice clean gutters. You walk around, I don't know if you guys remember this part, but that was pretty bad. That's fine. Charlie is about to start rinsing everything back here. So you can see it's all nice and clean. She just needs to get that rinse going. So, I don't know if you guys remember those gutters, but man, they sure look beautiful now.